know July 4th is America's birthday? Say, can you sing happy birthday?
Yummy.
Yeah, we're gonna make some yummy food, you're right. Say yummy. Yummy.
Yummy.
Happy birthday, America, and happy 4th of July to all of you. I promised myself when I started my channel that if nothing else, I was gonna be consistent. And since I upload on Thursdays, I have a video for you, even though it's July 4th. I know it's a busy day for everyone, which is why I'm gonna make this video short and sweet. Today I'm gonna share with you the recipe for Firecracker Sundaes. This recipe is great to make any time of year, but especially on July 4th. So if you don't get a chance to make it today, you can go ahead and make it anytime this summer, or winter too, I guess. Subscribe if you're new, and let me show you how to do it. To make a Firecracker Sundae, you really only need 3 ingredients. Some lemon lime soda, some vanilla ice cream of your choice, which my favorite is always gonna be vanilla bean, and Pop Rocks, the good old classic kids candy. And to save yourself a trip or two, let me tell you, just head straight to Dollar Tree. They for sure have them. I looked at several grocery stores and many of them did not have Pop Rocks. To make a Firecracker Sundae, all it needs is some basic assembly. Just put a couple scoops of vanilla ice cream in a sundae dish, or any glass will do. Then sprinkle blue or red Pop Rocks across the top. Add a little bit of ice cream and a little bit more Pop Rocks. And here comes the fireworks. Just pour some of your Sprite or whatever lemon lime soda you have over the top. And there you have it, a fireworks sundae. They're fruity and fizzy and absolutely amazing. If you try it out, make sure you let me know down in the comments. Also, let me know what your favorite 4th of July menu item is. Do you hear it? Open your mouth out really big. It's Pop Rocks. More. Okay, want more Pop Rocks? Oh. Are you all done? So make sure you try these this July 4th or anytime this summer, really. Let me know in the comments when you do and how you liked it. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all next Thursday.